Everyone, and welcome to this video from the Mass Innovation. Today we'll be installing our Nokia outdoor internet unit, and this is the tools we'll be using for our installation. This is our location. As you can see, our tools here. These are our tools. Everything we'll be using for this installation. Yeah, we have our testing tools and all that. Okay, this is me trying to connect the Nokia outdoor units to a pole. As you can see here, everything is firmly attached and it looks very nice. And this is the connection of my RG45 to my Cat6 cable. As you can see here, yeah, moved on my connection, crimping it and all that to get everything set up for my installation. So everything's going smoothly. Now I'm going to hang this guy outside where he can receive the required bandwidth for everything it needs. And okay, as you can see here, this is me marking out where I want to drill the hole. This is where I'm going to be mounting my pole for my Nokia outdoor unit, as you can see here. Okay, so now I'm putting some extra support to support it so it doesn't come off easily or it doesn't shake at all. So this is me trying to screw it in and everything is almost done now, as you can see here. Now I'm just trying to connect my internet cable. This is my PoE cable, power over Ethernet, trying to connect it. Yeah, I'm done with the connection. This is just a video representation, just showing you everything, how it ended up, how the outdoor looks. This is just showing you how everything looks after installation. This is it after installation. So thank you very much for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe.